Hello, this is Chris from Palatec, and on this video we are going to learn how to add and edit our copyright section on our site using the OceanWP theme. First, we need to go to pages, all pages, and then we need to select the page where we want to enable the copyright section. We are going to click on edit. Then we go to the theme settings over to the left, and we are going to further, and where it says display the copyright area, we are going to click on enable, then on update. Then we go to appearance and then click on customize. And here we are, and we are going to scroll down to the further, and first in this particular case we are going to further widgets, and then we are going to disable our template so it returns to the theme configuration. Then we go back, and on the further button we can see we have our copyright here, and we can enable or disable it if we want. We're going to enable it, and where it says copyright we are going to write what we want. In this case we are going to write top secret copyright. From Palatec. That's it. And then we can add some padding if we want to make it go a little bit up and down. So we're gonna link it up together, and we can choose the background and the color of the text if we want to. We are going to invert this one, and we can choose to add a color for the link and a hover if we want to add a link in the future. Here we are. Then once we have done all the changes we want, we are going to click on publish. So that's it. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and share it with a friend who might need help on their site. See you the next time on Palatec.